Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out all the new arrivals over at the Adidas outlet stores here in the Philippines. Now, just to give you guys context and a quick background, usually here in the Philippines, we just have like Pure Boosts and Alphabounces and a bunch of other generic sneakers over at the outlet stores. The great news this weekend, we're finally seeing a lot of Ultra Boosts hit outlet shelves, and that means great prices, better value for money for everyone. Let's get started. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away an Air Force One in your size. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. So I was able to check out the Adidas outlet store over at Laguna Central Mall in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And here's what I found. First up, guys, this is the first time that I saw a lot of Ultra Boosts sitting on shelves in an outlet store here in the Philippines. We have the Ultra Boost Mid in black. This one used to sell for 12,000 pesos. It's down 30% and it's now being sold for 8,400 pesos. The biggest size that they have is 11.5, but they do have a pretty good size run from 8 and up. So if you are looking for a new Ultra Boost, this might be the one for you. Granted though that it's still a little bit pricey, but it is the mid model, which is pretty new. Now, apart from the black model, they also have the white variant. This is the Ultra Boost Mid White. And lastly, they have some sort of variant that reminds me a lot of the Kith Ultra Boost. So it has shades of red scattered throughout the upper, and then you have a green accent at the very top. All of these sneakers used to sell for 12,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Now they're being sold for just 8,400. My big bold prediction is that you will still see them sit because 8,400 is still a lot of money here in the Philippines. So there might be a chance that they may still sit on shelves. Apart from the Ultra Boost, we also have the ever so reliable Pure Boost. So the Pure Boost in blue. This one is enjoying a massive 50% sale, guys. So the original price was 7,500 pesos. You can now pick it up for just 3,750 pesos. Not a bad price if you ask me. Pure Boost, by the way, is fantastic for people with wide and flat feet. Now, apart from the Pure Boost model with the burrito tongue, the Pure Boost Klima as well as the Pure Boost DPR are also both available over at the outlet stores. Speaking of Pure Boosts, this is one sneaker that I didn't expect to see in an outlet store. This is the Busenit's Pure Boost at 50% off in red. This, guys, used to sell for 9,000 pesos. It's now down to just 4,500 pesos at a pretty good size run. Now, this one I first saw over at Soul Academy a few months back. There used to be a gray-black colorway, and then this red colorway came out. It's just amazing to see it on shelves because I really wanted to buy it back then, but I was able to stop myself from doing so because I was thinking this will probably go on sale eventually. So it's just nice to be proven right to see it at 50% off. Let's keep it going with the Boost equipped sneakers. Of course, this is the crazy Boost You Wear in white and blue. Now, this one used to sell for 9,000 pesos, and I think what I mentioned in my previous vlogs, I'm part of the minority that actually likes the Boost You Wear silhouettes. But if you're one of that few select people, hit the comments down below and show the crazy Boost You Wear some love, right? So this one used to sell for 9,000 pesos. It is now down to 6,200 pesos. Size run is still pretty good. I was able to see biggest around 11.5. I think I saw an 8 and a 9. So yeah, you might want to check it out if you guys are in the market for that one. We also have the Harden Volume 2 lifestyle sneakers available there at a discount. First up, we have the Harden Volume 2 Buckle. This one is in the olive green colorway with the brown accent. Now, the original price used to be 8,500 pesos. It is now down, guys, to 5,950 pesos. This is a really comfortable sneaker. I've done a review of the shoe. If you guys are interested to learn more about it, I will put a link down below for your consideration. Now, apart from that, we also have the Harden Volume 2 with the laces. So this doesn't have a buckle, it has more of the lace feel in black. So this is the cleaner version or the cleaner colorway available. This one is also down to just 5,950 pesos. Size runs for both, still pretty good. Keep it going with the Boost equipped shoes. We have this white mountaineering Adidas collaboration for the Adidas Superstar. Now this one looks like your typical Superstar sneaker in gray with a white midsole, but the biggest difference is inside that rubber midsole is Boost material. So it is supposed to be more comfortable compared to your traditional Superstar. Now this one initially sold for 8,000 pesos, guys, and I actually remember seeing this on shelves last year being sold at this price, and it's now at 50% off. So from a whooping price of like 8,000 pesos, it's now down to just 4,000 pesos, available over at the Adidas outlet store in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Now, apart from the Superstar white mountaineering sneakers, we also have the Adizero Prime limited edition in mint green colorway, which used to sell for 9,300 pesos. It's now down to 6,510 pesos with a pretty good size run. So if you guys are looking for a fast running sneaker, a fast running shoe that still looks pretty dope, you might want to check this one out. Lastly, rounding up all the Boost sneakers for sale, or at least the ones that I saw that were notable, we have the Energy Boost. The Energy Boost used to sell for 8,000 pesos. This is the one in the black and like the black colorway with the white Boost midsole with like accents of neon yellow or neon green. It used to sell for 8,000. It's now at 50% off, guys. So it's now selling for just 4,000 pesos. Few more notable finds before we end the vlog. First up, we have the Adidas Pro Fears. The Adidas Pro Fears is one of my favorite like lifestyle, I don't know, streetwear sneakers, mainly because it is wide foot friendly and it is very different. Not a lot of people will rock it, but it's also pretty polarizing. I don't think a lot of people love it. But anyway, this one is in the black and red colorway, so it's dominantly black. The three stripes along the side are red. This one used to sell for 6,000 pesos. It's now being sold at just 4,200 pesos. But please take note that they usually come in just small sizes at the outlet. I didn't see a lot of sizes from 9 and up. From the Adidas Pro Fears, we have the ever so reliable Adidas Deer Up. Deer Up running sneaker that's usually on sale and at the outlets these days. Now the Adidas Deer Up, there are 3 colorways available. We have the OG blue and red, we have the all white, and we have the all white with the green midsole. This used to sell for 6,000 pesos. It's now on discount. You can get it for 4,060 pesos. And again, the size runs for all 3 colorways are still pretty good. So if you are in the market for a Deer Up, now might be the best time to pick one up. Of course, you cannot have an outlet run without talking about the Alphabounce, but the most notable Alphabounce, there are 2. The first one is the Alphabounce Kolor. So this one, we have the white with the gray patches at the top. Kind of looks like a deconstructed take on the Alphabounce. And you have the black and red variant. Now, the great news about this is that it is now on 50% off. Used to be at 6,500, it is now down to just 3,250 pesos. So if you are looking for a versatile sneaker that delivers you performance and at the same time you can style up as athleisure, this one is a pretty good option because the price is really good. 3,250 pesos is a pretty good deal if you ask me. Those looking for basketball shoes, we have the Pro Bounce 2018. Used to sell for 6,000 pesos, now down to 4,200 pesos. Now, guys, these aren't the only sneakers that are available over at the outlet store in Santa Rosa. There you have your typical Superstars, you have your Gazelles, you have your Campuses, you have other like Alphabounces available, including the Alphabounce trainers for men. You also have like a lot of Dame 4. So it is a pretty big, much bigger selection than what I'm saying. So if you do have the chance to drop by an Adidas outlet this weekend, you might want to check it out because of the new arrivals. I don't know how long before the sizes run out, especially since what the salesmen told me, people kind of flood to outlets during weekends. So try to get there early if ever you watch this video, well, earlier. For the ladies, just a quick overview of what you guys can find. You have a fantastic selection, ladies, of Ultra Boosts, ranging from the Parley Ultra Boosts to the X Ultra Boosts and to a bunch of other colorways of the Ultra Boosts. The price is anywhere from 7,000 pesos, I think to like 6,500 to 7,000 pesos with a pretty good size run. So if you are looking for a new Ultra Boost, now is the best time to pick one up, ladies, especially over at the outlet store. So I also saw a bunch of Propheres in the blue, red, and black colorways. So if you are looking for a chunky sneaker that's not necessarily a Fila disruptor, You might want to check this one out. Looks better if you ask me. I kind of prefer this one. I also saw like a few Arcades. The Arcades is like a more comfortable take on the NMD. So that one you guys might want to check out in the clean white colorway. And of course, there are just a lot, and I mean a lot, of Pure Boosts all over the place that you guys can pick from if you are in the market for a Boost-equipped sneaker. Guys, those were most of the notable finds over at the Adidas outlet store in Santa Rosa, Laguna. I'm sure you can still find a lot more of the same selection over at the Adidas outlet store in Marikina Riverbanks. If you can't get to an outlet store, you might want also to check out the Adidas Philippines website, because most of the stuff that I just mentioned are being sold for the same prices over at the Adidas sales store online. So again, you don't necessarily have to physically go to the outlet store this weekend, just shop via their website. But please do take note that they are not just they are super slow with shipping, so it might take a while before you get your shoe if you order it online. And of course, it wouldn't be a good outlet run if I didn't cop anything, so I just want to share with you guys what I ended up getting. This is the Adidas Busine Pure Boost Prime Knit. So this is the one in the red colorway that I mentioned to you guys earlier. So here's the shoe. You have the Prime Knit upper, you have the exaggerated big tongue, which the Busine, by the way, is originally a skateboard shoe. And then you have the white Boost midsole, very thick, especially here at the midfoot section. The only thing that concerns me about this is that if you take a look at the outsole, it does look a little bit flimsy. It doesn't cover the entire shoe. So I have a bad feeling that the Boost will be damaged thoroughly if you abuse the sneaker. But hey, it was on 50% off, and I don't have a shoe like this, and I was looking for a red sneaker, to be honest. So this was a pretty good pickup for me. Now, to close everything, I just want to give you guys a few reminders. Number one, don't forget to subscribe because we are in the middle of a giveaway. Number two, I did a video talking about all the great Nike and Jordan finds in a recent outlet visit to the Nike outlet store and the Titan outlet store in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Guys, check that out. A lot of fantastic Jordans. I copped the Jordan 3 at 40% off. Amazing value for money. So yeah, guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and click the link down below so you can be part of our Air Force One giveaway. And lastly, I will be announcing a new giveaway later tonight. Well, tonight or sometime today. I did partner with the awesome folks from New Balance to be able to give you guys something new. So watch out for that video when it drops. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up?